Okay, so I just got in the mail new RockTape goodies. This is the new RockWave Pro. This is a new massage tool with that vibration in it. It's essentially spinning, rotational frequency. It's got all sorts of different attachments to it, covers and things that I'm going to have to learn all about, different interchangeability with textures. So lots of fun to play with. The thing that I'm going to use this currently for is on my dog. Come here. Come here. There you go. Seats. Plots. Good girl. All right. So, okay. There we go. Right there. All right. So this one has a couple skin wounds on this forearm because she got in a fight with our other dog over a toy. And it's healed, it's sealing closed, but it's still like, and there's one on the bottom here. So they're got a lot of, I don't want them to get a lot of scar tissue. And she actually likes the other vibration tools that Trigger Point makes. So if you're going to use this on your animals, make sure that they kind of smell it first and they understand kind of what it is. I've used it on her body already, so she's used to it a bit, but I kind of slowly work my way down into this area, but the vibration part of it, I don't know if you can tell that my hand's vibrating, but the vibration part of it is what I'd like to help with the circulation in that area, to make sure things don't get too stagnant and can do some good healing. And I just lightly have it touching her. It's the rotation, it's smooth, so it's not doing anything to her fur. But to work on, it's nice she won't lick it too much while I'm working on it, but she does her own parts of it. Can I work on your chest a little bit? Hey. Good. And then in these areas where, you know, dogs have lymphatic systems too, so we just work all around. Probably would be better if I took off her collar, but Mom wanted to play around a little bit, right? So that deeper sound is me hitting the table. But essentially, can I pet your belly? Can you pet your belly without rolling off the table? Come here. Let me pet your belly. Roll over. Don't roll off the table. Can you roll over? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Look at that. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see him. She's got 2 wounds here, but I'm just going to gently go around them to help with the circulation. It's got different levels to it. I'm going to stay on this one and then occasionally go up to where it really feels good and you don't have to wonder about what's going on. Yep. All the things around the top. Maybe under here. Oh, yeah. And maybe I can get at that one on the bottom because it's bigger on the bottom, so it needs a little more to it. Is that nice? But I'm sure it's going to be great on the body as well. But right now, this was the immediate need, and it works for exactly what I hoped it would.